So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the conservation of momentum. The conservation of momentum states that the total momentum of the system doesn't change. So it means the final total momentum equals to the initial total momentum, or initial total momentum equals to the final total momentum. So now we are given a toy car moving eastwards and a toy train the toy car is moving westwards and the toy train is moving eastwards. The toy car has the mass of 1 kilograms. It has the initial velocity. Let's call this object A. This is object B. It has initial velocity of 2 meters per second. This has the mass of 1.5 kilograms. The velocity of it, or initial velocity of object B, equals to 1.5. So after collision, object B will be having 2.05 eastwards. So we are told to find the final velocity. This is final velocity of object A. We are told to find the final velocity of object B after the collision. So let's use this equation over here. Now we're dealing with everything initial for this part. We're combining, or we're dealing with the total initial momentum of our system, which is going to be mass B multiplied by VIB plus mass A multiplied by VIA. Now let's deal with everything final on that part. It's gonna be mass B VFB plus mass A VFA. Now let's see what do we have on this part. The mass of object B is 1.5 multiplied by, this is going to the right. Let's take it as positive. 1.5 plus mass A is 1. Now let's take this as negative. Let's take it as negative 2 equals to mass B, which is 1.5 multiplied by final velocity of B is what we are looking for, plus mass A, which is 1 multiplied by the final velocity of 8. It's going to the right, means it's positive 2.05. Now let's look at how can we find that part over there. So let's take this to the other side. It's gonna be 1.5 VBF equals to, that part will be 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 plus, I meant to say minus 2 minus 2.05, 1.5 VBF equals to, we're gonna have negative 1.8. Now let's find VBF equals to, the answer will be 1.2, negative 1.2 meters per second. So the negative sign, it means our toy train is going to the west, so it's gonna be 1.2 meters per second westwards. So that's how you do that question.